Hi, everybody. I hope you all had a good first week. Week two is going to be consistent with week one. So you're going to have another journal assignment that's going to be due on Friday at the end of the week. And then you will have another discussion board. And for the discussion board, you need to do your own post by Wednesday at the end of the day. And then you need to reply to 2 classmates by Sunday at the end of the day. So week two, the journal assignment and the discussion board, there's consistency. There's going to be a new PowerPoint, nutrition. So we're going to talk about, well, I'm not going to lecture. I'm going to let you look through the PowerPoint yourself. If you want to meet with me, just send me an email and we can meet. But since we all have different schedules and it's an online class, I'm making it so that you can look through the PowerPoints on your own. But if you have questions, please feel free. Email me, reach out. We can have a one-on-one quick, Zoom meeting. So I guess what I need to also say is that you can start working on your research paper now as long as I approved your topic. I don't want you to just go ahead and start writing about something until you send me that email. You had until the end of, I'm making this recording now on Sunday morning. So Sunday today at 11:59 p.m. I should have heard from everyone what you want your topic to be, just so I know, I can approve it and say, okay, let's go for it. So don't just start writing your paper without sending me that email. That's part of the participation in this class. It's to send me the email. You will get a reply from me, and then you're good to go. I'm checking off who I heard from and who I haven't heard from yet. But you have until the end of the day to let me know what you want your topic to be. So you can start working on that. I have the due date for the research paper is Monday, January 18th. I will extend that until the 19th. January 18th is Martin Luther King Jr. Day. So technically the college is closed that day. But you can, hand your research paper in through Blackboard anytime it's finished, on or before, and I'll extend it to the 19th, which will be Tuesday next week. I also got a few emails from people who said they wanted to start their video assignment early. So I'm going to make that discussion board, which is scheduled for week 3 discussion. I'll make that available Monday after midnight this week, so that this week 2 discussion board will be up. And then week 3 discussion board will just be up and stay up until week 3 in case you want to do your video early. And because that's the thing that if I was a student, I would maybe want to do a couple times because I'm not good at this, recording things. So, it's consistent. So tonight at 11:59, discussion board number 1 and the journal assignment number 1 and your research paper topic approval. I'm blanking. Oh, the quiz. You have to take the quiz by tonight. So there's a quiz for each week. So take the quiz by 11:59 tonight. Some people have already taken it, but that'll disappear at 11:59 p.m. tonight, and you won't be able to come back to that. Okay, and then you have to start fresh with week 2. So if you've got everything done for week 1, great. Not everybody has done 2 posts. So if you've only responded to 1 classmate, you still have time until the end of tonight to respond to 2 classmates on the discussion board. And I think that's all I wanted to say. Last week was physical activity and wellness and the fitness components of physical activity. So hopefully, if you guys have any questions, just send me an email, or again, like I said, I can meet with you individually. This week it's nutrition, and also as part of nutrition, I threw in body composition and fat. So this PowerPoint is 30 slides. So make sure you look through it and take quiz number 2 by the end of next Sunday. Okay, have a great week. Learn a lot about nutrition. That's a big New Year's resolution for a lot of people. And I will be here, and I'm very accessible by email. And we are embarking on week 2. Have a great week, and I will make another recording for week 3. Okay, bye.